Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on save original posts on your Threads app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Threads app. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on this sign here on down, then it's going to take you to next window or your profile here. Then you just go up, you will click here on this sign here on app. Then it's going to take you to settings window here. Then you just click here on account, and it's going to take you to account window here, and you click here on other account settings. Then you come to next window here, you just so go down here and you come here to original posts. You will click here and you come here to save original posts. You will click here on this sign here, and like you see this color show for, so you will click here, and like you see now this color show for us, that means save original post is on or no. I wish know you are great. That's all, so just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.